Hi everyone, we are from Cybernova Solution. Today we will show you how to handle a real ethics problem in an IT company.
So we will show a developer find a privacy issue before a product launch.
We will use PAPA framework, ACM, IEEE Code of Ethics, and Malaysia's PDPA 2010 to solve the problem.
At the end, I will explain what went wrong and what we can learn. Let's begin.
Wait, what is this? What is the NAPI key hard-coded in the code? Oh no! This key is connected to an outside cloud server and it is set to public. Anyone can access it. And it is sending user financial data there. Income, loan record, everything. I check our privacy policy. Nothing is written about this. This is a big problem. I need to tell you right now. One, apa no big problem? The app is sending user financial data to an outside server. The server is public, anyone can see the data. And our privacy policy says nothing about this.
Shazani, we got 4 days before launch. Maybe it's just a old test config. Just remove the key and we fix it later.
No one. We cannot wait. Under PDPA 2010, financial data is sensitive. We must tell user how their data is used right now. Their data is on a public server and they do not know this is against the law.
Wait, let me check. You are right. The public key is in the code.
Yeah.
This is not a small bug.
Oh my god.
We need to tell Dan now. Dan,
Hey,
I got something to tell you.
what happened?
Look here. Shazani found a critical issue. The app is sending user financial data to a cloud public server. So, without their permission, we cannot launch it.
Are you serious?
Because this is not in our privacy policy, so we cannot launch it on Monday.
Are you serious? The client is expecting the app this week. Can we not just remove the key and update the security later?
We cannot done. Under ACM code 1.6, we must protect user privacy under PDPA 2010. Sharing financial data without consent is against the law. If we launch now and someone find out, the company get a big fine and lose strong from the client.
I understand, but the client is waiting. A delay will be difficult for us to explain.
Dan, a 3-day delay is much better than a public scandal. We can do it in 2-3 days to remove the public key in our server.
You're right. I was too focused on the deadline. I almost forgot our responsibility. Okay, let's fix this properly. Okay, here's the plan, Shaz. Write a full report about what you found.
Okay.
Submit it to me by the end of today, okay?
Alright. Yes, dan I will also check if there are other hidden credentials in the code.
Okay, good. Okay, one. You lead the technical fix, make the server private, remove the API key from the code, and use proper secure method instead, okay?
Understood. I also suggest we create a privacy checklist that we must complete before launch, because so this kind of problem do not happen again.
Okay, great idea. Let's add that as a standard process. I will update the privacy policy with our legal team, and I will call the client now to explain the 3-day delay. We will not release the software that breaks user trust. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you, Dan. This is the right decision, I think.
Okay, no, thank you, Shaz.
Yeah.
I know speaking up is not an easy thing to do,
Yeah.
but thank you. Okay, boys, let's get the work done by the end of today, okay?
Alright.
Okay, I will call the client. Hello?
Now, let me explain what happened from an ethics point of view. I will use 5 guiding questions. So, first question, what is the ethical issue? So the app was sending user financial data to a public server without their knowledge or consent. This breaks the privacy dimension of the PAPA framework by Richard Mason. Second question, which codes were violated? First code is ACM code 1.6, respect user privacy. Second is ACM code 2.9, build secure system. And the last code is IEEE code 6.1, protect user from harm. So question 3, what could have happened if ignored? If they launched the app like that, Cybernova could face serious fines under PDPA 2010, lose clients and destroy the company reputation permanently. So the fourth question is, what was the correct action? Shazani did the right thing by reporting the issue immediately. One supported him and then made the right choice by delaying the launch to protect users. So the last question is, what is the lesson? Ethics must come first, even when there is a deadline. As IT professional, our job is to protect people who use our system, not just to finish work last. So that is the end for our presentation. We hope you can see that ethics is not just a theory, it is something that we use for everyday work.
Always speak up when you find a problem, even if it is difficult.
Always follow the proper step and support your team do the right thing.
As a leader, always choose what is right over what is fast.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.